Bonjour, this is Learn French with Monsieur. Alright, there you are. Welcome to my channel. This lesson we'll be discussing about the French salutations, how we can greet in French language. Like I said earlier, we're discussing about the French salutations. We have so many ways of greeting in French language, but I'm going to teach us the most common used salutations. Please, let's dive into the topic. Bonjour means good morning. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. We have bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit, which means good night. We have salut. Salut. Salut means hi or hello. You can make use of salut any time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, or even in the night, just like hello, but in French it is called salut. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Which means how are you? Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. I am fine, thank you. Ça va bien, merci. I am fine, thank you. And you, which means what? Et vous? Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. I am fine, thank you. Et vous, and you? Ça va. We have merci. Merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup means thank you very much. Thank you means merci, while merci beaucoup means thank you very much. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. Au revoir, it means goodbye. We have à bientôt. À bientôt, which means what? See you later or see you soon. À demain. À demain means see you tomorrow. Bon voyage. Bon voyage, which means safe journey. Make use of that whenever someone is traveling, want to wish him or her safe journey, say bon voyage. À table. À table, it means come and eat. Or if you don't want to say à table, you say viens manger, come and eat also. So you reply by saying bon appétit. Bon appétit means enjoy your meal. Or if anybody tell you thank you in French, which means merci, I want to tell the person don't mention. It is means Derien. Assume you tell me I did something for you and you decide to say merci to me. I will now reply by saying Derien, which means don't mention. So those are some of the greetings in French. And please, if you want to make use of any of those greetings, after saying the one you want to say, make sure you add the person's name to it. Assuming bonjour Shola, bonjour Steven, bonjour Christophe, bon après-midi Jean, bon après-midi John, bonne nuit Papa, bonne nuit Mama. Make sure you add the person's name to it. But assuming you don't know the person's name and the person happens to be a male, you say Monsieur. So Monsieur means Mr., Sir, and Master. That's the meaning of Monsieur. But if it happens to be a female, if the person is married, say Madame. Bonjour, Madame. It means good morning, ma, or good morning, Madam. But if the person happens to be a lady, you say bonjour, mademoiselle. Bonne nuit, mademoiselle. Au revoir, mademoiselle. Which means good night, my lady. Good morning, my lady. Or goodbye, my lady. But you don't know the person name at all, but the person happens to be your friend. we say au revoir mon ami, bonjour mon ami, bienvenue mon ami. Bienvenue means welcome. So bienvenue mon ami, welcome my friend. After saying each of these greetings, make sure you add the person name to it. So if you don't know their name, you can qualify them by using mon ami, monsieur, madame, ou mademoiselle. Depends on anyhow you want to use, but after seeing the greeting, make sure you add the person's name to it. And please don't forget this law. If it is your first time of setting your two eyes on a person for that very day, assuming you did not see the person in the morning, in the afternoon, so you now met in the night around after 10 p.m., please don't greet the person Bonnuit or Bonsoir. No, you greet by saying Bonjour, since it's the first time you are setting your eyes on that person for that very day. Please don't let us forget. Anytime you see the person for the first time of that day, make sure you make use of Bonjour. So this way you are going to stop today's lesson. See you next week. Au revoir et à bientôt. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section below. I will attend to everything. Or you have any homework you want us to solve it together, you want us to make use of it together, you can drop it in the comment section. I will reply everything and we are going to make video on it. Or you have any friend that you want me to make video on, just drop it in the comment section and I promise I'll do that. And like I said, our videos will be 15 days, but now I got called from one of my mentors. He said I should be making it weekly, which is every Sundays. So every Sunday I'll be dropping a new video every Sunday. Please, let's try to watch, share and comment, and don't forget to like the video. That's all I need from us.